Hello and welcome back. In this training capsule, we're going to explore the auto attendants, which are interactive voice recordings that allow callers to make selections in order to route their calls to their desired destination. So let's get started. The most common use case for an auto attendant is having the main company phone number pointed to an auto attendant based on a specific time frame. When callers call into the business, they can be routed to the party they're trying to reach by listening to the menu prompt options or dialing the user's extension directly. Clicking the auto attendant icon on the top of the manager portal navigation options will take you to the auto attendant center. Here you can add a new attendant or edit an existing one. You can also listen to an existing greeting or delete an existing one. If the add button is grayed out, please contact one of our team members as your domain has reached the maximum allowed capacity. To add an auto attendant, simply name your new attendant, assign an extension number, and apply a time frame. Important: the auto attendant extension number must be 4 digits and be between 5300 and 5399. Once an extension number has been assigned, it cannot be changed or duplicated. We strongly recommend to use the default time frame and apply a time frame in management of your telephone numbers, which is found in the Inventory tab. Once the auto attendant has been created, click the intro greeting to record the first message callers will hear. During the intro greeting, users cannot dial an extension or enter any option digits. We recommend by starting with the recording of your greeting before configuring the menu options. To begin, choose the language of the greeting. This will determine the language of the prompts callers will hear. To record your greeting, choose one of the 3 available methods. Record will have the system call your extension or telephone number, and then prompt you to record your greeting. Upload will allow you upload an audio file from your desktop. Our text-to-speech method will allow you to type your message and choose one of our iVoices to generate the typed greeting. The dial pad menu options are where you configure what digits will correlate with a specific treatment or application. When you select a digit, you will see the applications you can choose from. User will allow you to forward the caller to an extension on the system. It will also give you the option to add a prefix to the caller ID, so the user receiving the call will know it is being forwarded from that auto attendant. Conference will forward the call to a conference bridge you select. Call queues will allow the caller to be forwarded to a call queue. You can also add the option to have the system announce the number of callers in the queue ahead of the new caller, or announce the average expected wait time. You can also allow for a caller ID prefix to be added, so the agent is informed of the queue the caller is being routed from. The auto attendant directory sends the call to the company directory. Voicemail will forward the call directly to a voicemail box. And voicemail management allows users on the system to enter their extension number and PIN, so they can check their messages and manage their voicemail account. External number will forward the call to an external 10-digit telephone number. Play message allows you to record a message that will be played to the caller, then be routed according to the rule you define. Add tier will allow you to add a secondary auto attendant menu. In this second menu, you will be able to choose from the same applications as before, with the exception of adding a third tier. Repeat prompt to return the caller back to the primary menu message. The gear or options icon takes you to the option setting, which will enable or disable callers to dial a direct extension number. It also allows you to configure the action to take if a caller has pressed an incorrect key or no key at all. Once your greeting has been recorded, uploaded, or generated, the Manage options will appear, which will allow you to manage your greeting. You can also play the greeting or download a copy of your greeting. I hope this capsule was useful and informative. Take the time to watch our next capsule for a more detailed look at each of the tabs found in the Manager portal. If you need more information, please feel free to contact our support center. Thank you.